Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some sample of some products I received from a company called Globland. I would like to thank them for sponsoring this video and for sending me these products so that I could try them out. They are a sister website, or yeah, sister company website. They have a website to BB Crafts. And if you're unfamiliar with BB Crafts, I have reviewed some of their products as well, and I'll leave a link to their playlist here. In any case, let me share with you some of the products that I got. It all came packaged here, nice and secure. So I'm going to take them out of the plastic and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So not only are they packaged in the bubble wrap and the Ziploc bags, but they're also all individually wrapped in their own plastic. And so I'm gonna go through the things that I've ordered one at a time, and I'll take them out of the plastic because I know there's a glare. So yeah, let's start with the silicone. They call it silicone stamps. Clear silicone stamps. So I got two of them. The first one is called Frangipani clear stamps, but that's what it's called on the website, but I know them as plumerias. You might recognize that as well. Let's see. So there they are. I'll come in for a close-up. Love the detail. I am so excited to be able to try to use this. So stay tuned for some projects and some more videos coming up. But so that's one of the stamp sets that I got. The other stamp set that I got, it's called Ocean World Jellyfish Clear Stamp Silicone. And so this one has the jellyfish on them, a whole bunch of different ones. And I will bring it in closer so you can see the detail. Sorry for the glare. Ooh. Some metal dies, and the first one I got is this. It's called Metal Fish and Jellyfish Animal Cutting Die, but it's an underwater scene one too, so I could use it with the, I figured I could use it with the jellyfish stamp that I got. But here's the die, and you can see the cut looks kind of deep, which I'm excited, so stay tuned, like I said, for projects. But that's the die. It's a good size die. And then I did receive another die, or I did order another die to try out, another set. So this set came in 4. And this set is called 4-piece Happy Birthday Cutting Die. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at great sizes. You can see the detail looks very good on the stamp itself. Sorry for all the crinkling and everything. But this is the die. Look at how big it is. So big. So that die there. We got an oval die here. This says happy birthday as well. And that's another great size one. And then we have a circle one. And this says happy birthday as well, with the cake and the candles. I can see a shaker card with this. And then the last one in the set says happy birthday as well. And these things are all in stock right now. So if you go to their website, which is globeland.com, I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can go check them out. But you'll be able to order everything you see here that I'm showing you. They do have stuff that are out of stock, but they have stuff that is in stock too. So that's the fourth one in this 4-piece happy birthday set. It's economical for the 4 of these. It's like $10.50-ish. You get 4 dies. That's less than $3 a die. So yeah, go check their website out. But so this is that next set that I got. And then this is the last set I got. This is a 4-piece metal fairy tale cutting die. So 4 pieces. It has Cinderella's carriage, which I have a Cinderella carriage one already, but it doesn't, it's bigger than this. It's probably a little more intricate, but it doesn't cut well. So I'm excited to see how this one does. So we got Cinderella's carriage. We got the Princess Castle, and that's an oval shaped castle. And we've got the princess standing on the balcony waiting for her prince to rescue her. And then we've got this one. I don't know. Is it the wise men? No. Maybe. It just looks like, you know, a kingdom. So yeah, those are the 4 dies that come in this set. So yeah, don't forget to go look for the link in the description box below so you can head on over there and check out their products. I believe you will not be disappointed. And like I said, they are a sister company to BB Crafts, so you'll probably find things that are similar. Majority of their items they have there are metal dies and the silicone stamps. Let me bring those back so we don't forget about those. But yeah, so I'm excited. Watch for some videos coming up. And stay tuned. I'm having a Halloween series. It's going to be 31 days. Hopefully I make it through the all 31 days. But yes, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.